Hello everyone, this channel is about my gardening life. My name is Ryo from Japan. Here we go again this week. Hi, this is my gardening life. It's getting closer to autumn in Japan. How is your garden going in your region? Please let me know about that. I have 4 topics to share this week. First of all, autumn sowing 2. I'm going to let you know about the condition of the seeds I planted last week. Next, I cut back the petunias before autumn. Due to the rain and wind, they were dirty, so I cut them bravely in order to have them bloom in this autumn. And then, I welcome new faces. I tend to buy perennials that can be grown for many years. Finally, the state of my biotope of Medakas. Medaka means Japanese rice fish. Please keep watching until the end. Also, I'll be so happy if you subscribe to my channel. So let's get started.
It rained after last week's seeding. The rain came in through the screen and disturbed the freshly germinated asters. The garden stalk on the left was the first to germinate. I hope they will continue to lead the way. Pansies have very tiny twin leaves. Snapdragons also have very tiny twin leaves. These are supposed to become big flowers, so it is a mystery. There were some asters left over, so I added soil and sowed them again. Here begins the second phase of seed sowing. I picked up these Rudbeckia seeds at a park along the walking trail. They were not so much picked up as plucked. Officer. Also, on the left is an Oshirbana 4 o'clock, and on the right is a Cosmos. Officer. I planted the seeds. I'm looking forward to seeing them germinate. I'm pruning the petunias before autumn. The rain the other day had turned them into stylish long hairs. He has become a manly man. I am looking forward to his success in the fall. Vista Mini is also in a state of bomber, aiming for the autumn blooming. I pruned carefully so as not to cut too much. The pruned leaves will be used to improve the soil. Dead marigolds and pruned leaves together. Please be a compost for the perennial grasses. Please watch over them. After pruning, give them liquid fertilizer and a nutrient solution. I also pruned the bells in the middle and put them under the eaves on the south side to protect them from the rain. I usually just put them here. New faces from Joyful Honda, a home improvement center. This is Biden's. And Excellent Mum Pico. Astra Victoria, who was a work article. Uriop Stacey. Celosia Hot Topic, the only annual. I tend to buy perennials from the Asteraceae family. I'm poor. I pruned them a bit after planting. They have characteristic fluffy tips. They are Hakusan made celosia, so I have high hopes for them. The lantana that worked so well in the summer was broken by the rain. One of the coralus plants wilted. The ombu grasshoppers are comforting each other. They are devouring the orange parts of the gazanias. The hibiscus is doing better than it has all summer. The rosemary is blooming. The morning glories that I'm seriously growing seem to be in their prime from now on. There are many windy days at this time of the year. I don't want the plants to break.
Here, I will show you the state of the Medaka biotope. The Medaka babies are doing their best to grow. There have been a lot of windy days recently. Some plants fell over. On windy days when it's not raining, it's easy to let my guard down, so I'll need to be careful. A few days ago, I bought a smartphone strap that I can hang around my neck. When shooting videos, I find that tightening the strap helps reduce shaking. I'm shooting while trying various things. I'm working hard every day. Well, that's about it for this time. Thank you for your watching. Please give me high rating and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next one. Well, I'll see you next time. See ya.